Hi, this is Dr. Asif. Persistent Mullerian duct syndrome is a very rare entity, and to date around 400 cases have been reported. This syndrome, to understand this syndrome, we have to first know about the physiology, normal development. In the normal development of gonads, in earlier stages, in initial stages, there are both Mullerian duct system as well as Wolffian duct system present. The Mullerian duct system gives rise to female reproductive system, and the Wolffian duct system, it gives rise to male reproductive systems. So in course of time in males, due to under the influence of testosterone, there is secreted Mullerian inhibiting factor, MIF, which is responsible for regression of these Mullerian ducts. If there is no MIF, if there is reduced MIF, it leads to persistence of Mullerian duct. Here we present a case of 27 years old male patient with well-developed secondary sexual characteristics and cryptorchidism, that is undescended testes, and presented with inguinal hernia. On operation, we found uterocervix with bilateral fallopian tube, and on histopathology, we could confirm these structures. The main importance of diagnosing this entity is 30% of the cases of persistent Mullerian duct syndrome associated with mixed gonadal dysgenesis may proceed to carcinomas like embryonal carcinoma, teratoma, or yolk sac tumor, and dysgerminomas. And when these mixed gonadal dysgenesis means there are presence of one gonad, there is one gonad, either male or female, which is more mature, and the other side gonad is immature, streak gonad. Most probably it could be testes. So the very rarity of this nature of this disease, as well as its grave prognosis, merits its reporting. Thank you.